What's up everyone, and welcome to the Full Stack Junkies channel. This is a segment we like to call a Tech Quickie, where we take a single topic and just give a bit of detail about it. So to start us off, we're going to cover TCP. What is TCP, you ask? TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. And what that is a communication standard that enables applications and devices to exchange messages over a network. What it does is send packets across the internet, and it ensures that the data and messages are sent to networks successfully. TCP is a connection-oriented protocol. One of the downfalls of TCP is speed, but with TCP you can retransmit lost data packets. On this slide you can see that we have a diagram of the TCP states when visited by a client. SYN is short for synchronize. SYN or SYN is a TCP packet sent to another computer requesting that a connection be established between them. ACK is short for acknowledgement. An ACK packet is any TCP packet that acknowledges receiving a message or series of packets. The technical definition of an ACK packet is a TCP packet with an ACK flag set in the header. FIN stands for final, and it is used to represent the termination of the session of TCP. So this is the basics of TCP. It can go a lot deeper, and I will leave links for you below if you want to investigate this further. I hope that you enjoyed this segment. Stay tuned for more Tech Quickies, tutorials, and just about anything code related that we can think of. Happy coding!